KNDS is increasing production at its factory in Kassel, Germany. The company wants to build more turrets for the Leopard 2A8 main battle tank and the RCH 155-wheeled howitzer. The expansion was announced during a visit by German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius on July 21, 2026. The goal is to produce more modern combat vehicles as Europe strengthens its military after lessons learned from the war in Ukraine. The Kassel factory builds some of the most advanced parts of both vehicles. These include the turret, weapons, sensors, armor, and digital control systems. The Leopard 2A8 is Germany's newest main battle tank. It uses a powerful 120 gun, stronger armor, modern sensors, and the Trophy Active Protection System. These features help the tank survive and fight on today's battlefield. Many European countries are buying the Leopard 2A8. KNDS says orders have already passed 300 tanks. More production will help deliver these vehicles faster. The RCH 155 is a modern wheeled artillery system. It combines the Boxer armored vehicle with a fully automatic 155 gun. Only 2 soldiers are needed to operate the system. The gun loads and fires automatically, helping the crew stay protected inside the vehicle. The RCH 155 can fire in any direction without turning the vehicle. It can hit targets up to 40 kilometers away with standard ammunition and up to 54 kilometers with special rounds. One of its biggest strengths is speed. After firing, it can quickly move to a new position. This helps reduce the chance of being hit by enemy counterattacks. The war in Ukraine has shown that artillery is still one of the most important weapons on the battlefield. However, drones and radar can quickly find artillery positions. Because of this, modern artillery must move fast, fire quickly, and avoid staying in one place for too long. KNDS is also increasing production of other military vehicles, including the Boxer armored vehicle and the Puma infantry fighting vehicle. The company is investing in new factories, digital manufacturing, and new technology to speed up production. Another major factory is located in Görlitz, Germany. KNDS has turned a former train factory into a production center for armored vehicle parts. The Görlitz factory now builds Leopard 2 hulls, Boxer vehicle parts, and other armored components. Together with Kassel, it gives KNDS more production capacity and better flexibility. KNDS says it has nearly 11,000 employees, earned €4.4 billion in revenue in 2025, and has orders worth more than €33 billion waiting to be completed. Overall, the expansion shows that Europe is increasing its ability to build modern armored vehicles. By producing more Leopard 2A8 tanks, RCH 155 howitzers, Boxer vehicles, and Puma fighting vehicles, KNDS is helping strengthen Europe's defense industry and military readiness for future conflicts.